The leaves are falling, the sky turns gray. Ghosts are dancing down the driveway. There's a chill in the air, a hoot from the trees, and the pumpkins grin in the autumn breeze. Halloween is coming to the farmhouse door. Footprints creaking on the old pine floor. With Chipper and Scout, we're sniffing the scene, chasing the shadows of Halloween.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Catskill Mountain Homebody. My name's Amy. Today we are going to take a little bit of a drive to Sullivan County, New York, and we're going to go to the annual Giant Pumpkin Party in Neversink, New York. This pumpkin party is a tradition for my family. We've been going for almost 20 years. I used to bring my son Julius to the pumpkin party when he was a little child. The first time we went, he was 5 years old, and my husband's parents were visiting, and we went with them. We had a wonderful time there. Not a lot has changed in those 20 years. The pumpkin party is a child-friendly event. It's for the kids, but honestly, as an adult, I look forward to it every year. There are many, many activities for children and adults at the Giant Pumpkin Party. I took some footage so I could share it with my channel. So as you'll see from the footage, they have a giant pumpkin growing contest. There are pumpkin decorating contests for adults and children. There are crafts for the children to do, games for children to participate in, pony rides, hay rides. There's usually a haunted house. They sell delicious apple cider and apple cider donuts that they make fresh every year. That's the thing that Julius and I look forward to the most, is getting. That's the first thing we do when we go there, is buy our donuts. In the morning, they have a children's costume parade that goes down the street and into the fairgrounds. Then they have a costume contest for different age groups. When Julius was a little boy, we participated in that. He always entered the costume contest, and he would march in the parade. It was a lot of fun. They also have a baking contest that I have entered in past years, but have not won. It was a funny story. One year I entered the baking contest, and I decided to make apple muffins. But this was a recipe I never tried before. It was in my muffin recipe book that my mother got me in the 90s. And I didn't taste them when I baked them. And I entered them in the contest, and I lost. And after I lost, they sell the baked goods to make money for the library. This whole pumpkin party is a fundraiser for the local library, the Daniel Pierce Library. So after I found out I lost the baking contest, my husband and I went and bought one of my muffins, and we ate it, and it was dry. So now I know why I didn't win the baking contest. So lesson learned. The next time I enter the baking contest, I'm going to use a recipe that I know is good, not one that I just found in some cookbook. I'm going to definitely try it first. So I learned my lesson. This particular day was gorgeous. It was like a summer day in the New York Catskills. It was in the high 70s, sunny, beautiful weather, not a cloud in the sky, which is a far cry from the past two pumpkin parties, where it was pouring down rain. The pumpkin party is rain or shine. So the past couple years, I have forced myself to go in the pouring rain to the pumpkin party, mainly because I like to enter the raffle. They have a raffle every year to benefit the library, and they have really nice prizes. And every year I try to enter the raffle and win. And pretty much every year I don't win. One year I did win. I won a stained glass barn quilt, which was pretty, and I won some note cards, some hand-painted note cards. Other than that, though, I've only won those 2 times. So come with me and my son Julius and his girlfriend Sam, and let's go enjoy a little bit of sunshine at the Giant Pumpkin Party. And I'm going to bring you guys along. Enjoy the video.